You might have an item or two that we haven't discussed yet, so here we go. A fan favorite is the color correcting tinted moisturizer. It's available in 6 color correcting shades. It's very easy to find your color match. A dime to quarter size amount is plenty. I squeezed out way too much on here, so I actually have enough to do my whole face and my chest with some left over. You could also use a brush or a beauty sponge to apply this. It is completely your personal preference. This gives you a nice sheer coverage with a dewy finish. It's simple to use to get a really nice even skin tone in one easy step. Super easy even for non-makeup wearers. Pearlizer is our renowned liquid highlighter. You can mix this right in with that tinted moisturizer, or you can apply it underneath for that inner beauty glow, or you can use it like I'm using here, just on the high points of your face. Adding highlighter to these points on our face give us a little bit of dimension, and it also kind of gives us this like bright, I'm awake, healthy skin looking glow. You could even go ahead and add some to your collarbone, mix it with your body lotion, put it on your legs, on your arms. It's really, really pretty. If you got a deeper shade of tinted moisturizer that doesn't work for you, you can actually use it as a contour shade. The most common spot to place your contour is underneath your cheekbone. Use from the top of your ear to the corner of your mouth as the angle that's right for your face. To expand, you can create the shape of 3 along the contours of your face. Adding a contour just adds another layer of dimension for an overall really beautiful basic face makeup look.